Obscurist Tourist here, and today I come to you from Uranus, Missouri. And right behind me I'm here at the Uranus Fudge Factory, if you can believe it or not. Right here on Route 66. Let's take a little gander, shall we? But this is the first that I always remember of the many roadside attractions to come. The Uranus Fudge Factory. What a way to be greeted. Good morning. This place is pretty neat. I have passed by here countless times. There is a little atomic structure. Not the Route 66 pass to this place. What's that? T-Rex? Uranus Fire Department. And that looks fun. Check that out. That's the Funk Yard. And this will demonstrate where we're going today. This was my goal yesterday. And right now, I just stopped up the road, had a little sleep there, and we will be going not yet to Oklahoma City, but around here, another 3-hour drive away, is Eureka Springs in Arkansas. And I think ultimately today we will end up in Amarillo. So this is the goal. And of course, we will be going all the way to Flagstaff and then straight down. What's down there? Nothing. Ground. But that's Phoenix. Route 66. Some old machinery here, right underneath the Uranus sign. An old Phillips. Ooh, to be a gasoline truck, I suppose. Not an oil truck, gasoline truck. What is this? A little piece of the Apollo? What? It's actually the Astroliner. Look at this thing. Ain't that fun? There's another little atomic nod to the past. And check out who's driving the Uranus fire truck. Look at this. I don't know if you can see him in there. It's a little bear. Window's a little foggy. Huh. Uranus. Really loving their sense of humor here. They get it. Right up my alley. This whole place. They just get it. You can even get hand-dipped ice cream and wieners in Uranus? But only from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. place is absolutely killing me. I love it. Additional parking in Uranus. So I just met the owner of Uranus Fudge Factory, and he pointed out this is his kitty right here. Hi, Johnson. A kitty named Johnson. Oh, he's got my microphone. And he said that you can't have a Uranus without a Johnson. So, nothing but jokes here. This guy's really cute, though. Look at that meow. He really wants my microphone. See you later, Johnson. And up there is right back there is the Uranus City Jail. And what is a jail without a police department? Uranus Police Department to serve and protect Uranus. Not bad. Like these guys, and I'll tell you what, I am definitely not putting my hand in there to pet the alien. Nope, not at 7 in the morning. There's a few more things hidden. What is that, a giant chicken in the back of that El Camino? Whoa. Nelly. Yikes.